Hello everyone, here's a question from Power Plate. This is second figure it out. This is from class 8 based on your syllabus. The question is identify the greater number in each of the following, and here we have three questions. To check which one is greater, we have to solve it. Here's the first one. We have 4 cube. So let's express 4 cube. 4 cube means 4 times 4 times 4. We're multiplying 4 by itself 3 times. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So 4 cube is 64. Now what is 3 to the power 4? You're multiplying 3 by itself 4 times. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Now which one is greater? 81 is greater than 64. So let's write here 81 is greater than 64. But what is 81? It is 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 is greater than 4 to the power 3 or 4 cubed. So this is the first one. Let's do the second one. We have 2 to the power 8. This means we have to multiply 2 by itself 8 times. So we'll write this 8 times. So this is 8 times 10. So let's multiply. So 2 times 2 is 4 times. This 2 times 2 is 4. This is 4. And the last pair it is also 4. Now it's like you're multiplying 4 by itself 4 times. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. 64 times 4 is 256. So let me just recheck it again. So 64 times 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 6 are 24. Plus 1 is 25. So it is 256. That is correct. Now next one is we have 8 square. 8 square means we're multiplying 8 by itself 2 times, that is 8 times 8, which is 64. Now it's obvious that 256 is greater than 64, and 256 is 2 to the power 8, which is greater than 8 square. So here 2 to the power is greater than 8 square. Let's do the last one here. And the last one will take a lot of time because the power is 100 there. So let's see how to do it. This is third one. We have 100 square. Now 100 square is easy to solve. We have to just multiply 100 by itself. So 100 times 100 is 10,000. You have to just put 4 zeros. Now how to solve 2 to the power 100? So it's like you're multiplying 2 by itself. How many times? 100 times. So this keeps on going and we're going to multiply it 100 times by itself. So how to solve it? What we can do, we can take 2 5 times. That is, we want to multiply 2 by itself 5 times, which is 2 to the power 5. We have here 2 how many times? 100 times, right? So let's take 2 times 5, 2 times 5, 2 times 5, and still it keeps going. Okay, it's not completely. I'm just trying to draw a value which is greater than 10,000. Now this is very big number. I know that this number is greater than 10,000, but I have to show it, right? And this keeps on going. So let's take another 2 to the power 5, and it keeps on going. Okay, we're going to have a lot of. So out of this 100, I have taken 5, 5, 5, 5. So when I add all this 5, I should get 100. So here I have taken only 4, 5. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. So this is 2 to the power 20. And here the remaining will be 2 to the power 80. Okay, that remaining I'm not writing down. I'm trying to solve this part. And I want to show you that this part is greater than 10,000. And therefore this will be greater. But we have to show it, right? So what is 2 to the power 5? It is 32. When you multiply 2 by itself 5 times, what you will get? 2 times 2 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Right? So this is 32 times 32 times 32 times 32 times, and so on. More 32 will get. You'll get more 32. How many times you will get more 32? You don't have to worry about that. You just worry about this one. We have to just show that number is greater than 10,000. So that is why I'm putting these dots here. It is just to show that there's a continuation of it. Now let's multiply 32 and 32. So 32 times 32. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So 4, 12 and here we get 10. It is 1024. Now next I'll write 32 times 32 times and so on. Now let's multiply 1024 and 32. So 1024 times 32. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2. 3 4s are 12. We write 2 down and let's put the carry here. Then 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 zeros are 0 and 3 1s are 3. Now let's add them. So this is 8, 6, 7, 2, 3. Now you can see that we got 32,768, and next we have another 32 here which I have not yet solved, and this is keep on going. So you can see that this number itself is greater than 10,000. Here we have 32,768 multiplied by more so many 32s will be there. And here this is just a 10,000. So it's obvious that 2 to the power 100 is greater than 100 square. So we'll just conclude 2 to the power 100 is greater than 100 square. I hope it is clear how to solve it. So when you have a huge number has a exponent or power, you don't have to solve it completely. So when you're comparing it, try to bring a number such a way that that number is less than or greater than, so that you can compare in that way. I hope this question is clear. If you have further question on this chapter or any other chapter, you can drop a comment. I'll try to make a video on it. Thank you so much for watching.